One of those areas hard hit. Howard County emergency management officials report flooded streets, cars, and neighborhoods. 24-hour News 8's Brenna Donnelly live in Kokomo this evening, where some are struggling just to hold on to their homes. Brenna.
That's right, guys. We've spoken to two families already who can't sleep in their beds tonight, and they're not the only ones. The gentleman who lives here woke up this morning to this. This is a landslide knocking in the wall of his basement. It flooded several feet into his home. The fire department has condemned it for safety reasons, and the homeowner told me he and his wife are staying in a motel tonight. Now, around the corner in the Frederick Farm neighborhood, water from a retention pond combined with another and sent dirty water flooding into this family's front door. They woke up to it around 5 a.m. this morning and have been running fans and mopping it up ever since. They're also piling sandbags just in case.
I'm concerned that we have a lot more rain on the way, and I never thought it would do what it did, and I just want to make sure it doesn't happen again.
Now, both homeowners told me, unfortunately, they do not have flood insurance. And unfortunately, for the last few years, Kokomo has been a hot spot for severe weather, and it looks like this season is no exception. Live in Kokomo, Brenna Donnelly, 24-hour News 8.